Hi, so this is how to make a totally awesome DIY easy to make home light bulb. So this is our supplies. So right here you've got the power source, which can be made up of more than 8 D batteries, but right here we got 11. So then you'll need 2 alligator clips, electric tape, a cardboard tube, a 0.5mm lead, and a glass jar. Yep, so let's get started with, so first thing you've got to attach your alligator clips to the toilet paper roll, the cardboard tube, using electric tape. Yep, so you'll also want to connect your D batteries together with electric tape as well. So up next, what you want to do is get your pencil lead out and put your piece of lead in between the alligator clips right here, like so. Now remember, this is 0.5mm, and there it is. Okay, so now that we've got our pencil lead tucked nice and safe in between the alligator clips, next step would be to stick our jar over the whole thing. And then in order to turn it on, we're going to need to touch each of these to the ends of the batteries, and but just in case, safety first, and I'm gonna need to turn the lights off. Okay, so I'm now going to touch the alligator clips to the ends. And there is our light bulb, folks. Now, it's going to be a moment before it burns out, but the pencil lead is actually catching fire. And that is what is providing us with light.